I'm Joanne, that's Adam behind the camera, and today we are making crab dip. You can serve this hot or cold. I love the ratio of crab to cream cheese in this dip. Sometimes I find crab dips are a little too cheesy for me. This ratio is perfect. Let's go make it.
Grab a medium mixing bowl and whisk together a 1/4 cup of heavy cream, 1/4 teaspoon dry mustard, 1/4 teaspoon Old Bay seasoning, and a 1/2 teaspoon of pickled pepper or Worcestershire sauce. We need 1 green onion. Thinly slice it and add the light green and white parts to the bowl. Save the darker green slices for serving. Now add 2 tablespoons of sour cream, 2 tablespoons of shredded white cheddar cheese, and 4 ounces of softened cream cheese. Then stir it all together. Last but not least, gently fold in 8 ounces of fresh crab meat. I'm adding Dungeness crab, but blue crab is also excellent. For baked crab dip, spoon the dip into a small baking dish and scatter more cheese on top. Bake until hot and bubbly. Or if you prefer cold crab dip, skip the baking altogether and serve it straight away. And that's it. Creamy, delicious crab dip. If you love crab, you must give this one a try. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you love this video, we have lots more. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and say hi on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. We're at Inspired Taste.